Buongiorno and welcome to the big beautiful Bella Sanlucci kitchen. The countdown begins.
It's June and we're ending this year's recipe contest.
Please get your recipes in to www.bellasanlucci.com. For our recipe contest, the grand prize winner gets $2,500, could be you. Second and third prize also are wonderful. And then we do a monthly honorable mention recipe. It's the favorite part of my job. We need you to use our products. Please use our sun-dried tomatoes, pasta sauce, risotto mixes. We have a wonderful line of meat marinades. Get your recipe in using our products. Be creative, be healthy, be Mediterranean. We want your creativity. Please check out all our cooking videos on bellasanlucci.com. Please cook with love with your friends and family and have a wonderful summer.